Okay.
Hello
Nimai!
there. Hi. Hello. Hello, Tianmin. Are you there?
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello.
Teacher, I have a best
Hello,
friend.
mommy. Good afternoon.
Teacher,
Again? What is it?
teacher, I have a best friend.
Oh, you have a best friend. Where is he? Is that a boy or girl?
Is is he his
Where is that a boy?
his name is Tina and Chitam.
Tina and Tiktam. Oh, where are they now? Where are they?
They are watching the TV.
Okay. They are watching the TV. Okay. So, how are you today? Hinmin, how are you today?
I am fun.
Wow, that's great. What did you do? Okay, did you watch also the TV? Are you also watching the TV with your friends? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So let's have our class. Okay. Where are you now?
Ngồi lên đi.
Hello. Are you
Nói
back?
đi, đừng bị tí á.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello again. You're back now. Okay. Can you see me now? Can you see me now?
Yes.
Okay, how about can
Yes.
you hear me clearly now? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, are you ready for our lesson in this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, if you're ready, say hoo-ha. Say,
Wow.
oh, louder, louder. Hoo-ha. Oh, don't clap because you have a wand, right? Don't clap. Just say hoo-ha like that.
Wow.
Hoo-ha. Okay, again. Tin Min, are you ready?
Wow.
Oh, again. Are you ready?
Wow.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Oh,
Wow.
yes, very good. So, okay, so before we start, I want to remind you that if we are having our discussion or our class, I want you to listen, focus, and look at me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
All right. So, our lesson this afternoon, we will going to talk about, do you have a pet? Can you read this for me?
Do you have a pet?
Okay, do you have a pet? Okay, so now Thin Min, do you have a pet in your house? No?
No.
Okay, how about your mother? Is she have a pet? Or your father?
No.
Oh, you don't have a pet in your house. Okay. All right. That's okay. All right. So, today Tinmin, okay? So we will learn, or you will learn on how to talk about pets, okay?
Okay.
All right. So now let's have this exercise 1, the warm up. Okay, just listen, then repeat after me when I read the words, okay? Let's have this first.
Okay.
Dog.
A dog.
Yes,
A
dog.
dog.
Yes. Yeah, can you see this picture?
Yes.
Yeah, this is what?
A dog.
Yes, this is a dog. Do you love dogs?
No.
You don't want, I don't love. Why? Are you afraid of dogs? Are you afraid? Mm,
My dog
okay.
is
Ah,
very mad. My
ah,
dog is very mad.
your dog is very mad. Am I correct?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. So your dog is keep on, ow, 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 like that? What's the
No.
sound of the dog?
Go. Go.
Okay. Arf, like that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's the sound of your dog. All right. So again, this is
Uh, dog.
yes, very good. Now let's have this, a cat.
A cat.
Yes, cat. Now let's take a look at this picture. Oh, there is. What do you see in this picture?
I see a baby cat.
Yes, there is a baby or a little cat. Oh, the baby cat is sleeping. Do you love cats?
No, I like baby cats.
So this one, do you love this one? Baby cat?
Yes.
Okay, so you love baby cat. So if you have a baby cat, what would you like to name? What name?
I
would
like
you like-
them.
What name would you like to put in this baby cat? Oh, what happened? Okay, all right. That's
I don't
okay.
know.
You
I
don't know.
don't
Okay.
know.
Yes, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. So, do you know that I also have a baby cat in our house? Yes, I
Huh?
have a baby cat here in our house. And the name of my baby cat is Minkai.
Oh,
Okay?
My baby cat is
Okay.
mango.
Oh, Mingo. Okay. That's a nice name. All right. So again, what is this? What animal is this again?
It's a cat.
Okay, very good. This is a cat. All right. Oh, now let's have this fish.
It's a fish.
Yes,
Fish.
this is a
Fish.
fish. All right. Okay, here. All right. Do you love fish? Or do you love eating?
Yeah.
Do you love also to eat fish?
So I will go to Ting Water.
Again, what? You have to?
I want go to Ting Water.
What will you do there?
I want go to
Ah, drink a water?
what?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Take your time. Okay, you're back. You know what? I'm also drinking water here. Oh, we're the same. We feel thirsty. Okay, so are you good now?
Yes.
Okay, so again, what is this? What is this again? This is?
It is a fish.
Yes, very good. This is a fish. How about fish? Do you love fish? Do you want to have a pet like fish?
No.
Oh,
No.
okay. All right. You don't want to have a pet like fish. Okay, but you know what? I also have a pet like fish. I have goldfish. Yes. Yeah, okay, now let's proceed to oh, next here, bird.
Bird.
Yes. Let's look at this picture. This is
A bird.
yes, this is a bird. Do you know what is the sound of bird? Can you
Cheep,
say?
cheep, cheep.
Oh, yes. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah, it's so cute, right? Tweet, 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 like that. Okay, so again, what is this? This is
A bird.
yeah, very good. Next, let's have the next one. Oh, here, a rabbit.
A
Okay,
rabbit.
again, rabbit.
Rabbit.
Okay. Oh, do you have a rabbit in your house? Oh, it's loading. Wait, what happened? Okay, I'm just going to. Okay, here. Again, this is.
A
Uh,
rabbit.
yes, a rabbit. What is the color of this rabbit? What are the colors?
White and black.
White and
Black.
black. It's a brown. Yes, white and brown. Okay, so again, what is this again? This is okay. Thinman, can you come closer to the camera? I want to see your whole face. Okay. Oh, what's that? Is that a book? Oh, I think
No,
that's it's a drawing book.
picture.
Yes.
No. No.
What's that?
It is a. It is a picture.
Pictures. Can you show me? What are those pictures? Oh, wow, that is what's that? What's that? What animal
It
is
is
that?
an elephant.
Yes, that is an elephant. Again, that is an elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay.
Elephant.
Yes. Okay, again, what is this? What animal is this again? In the picture?
It is a rabbit.
Very good. It is a rabbit. Oh, how about this? A
It
hamster.
is a hamster.
Yes, hamster. Yes, this is the picture of a hamster. Do you think a hamster is small or big?
Small.
Yes, it's a very small animal. It's like a rat, like right? Have you seen already a hamster?
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay, yeah, it is a small animal. Do you want to have a pet like hamster?
No.
Are you
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
afraid?
yeah,
Okay, are you afraid of hamster?
yeah. Yes.
Okay, me too. Yeah, because of its, heat. Okay, now let's have this practice. Okay, so now you're going to tell me what you see in each picture. Okay, so here. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, here. What do you see in this picture? What animal?
Fish, rabbit, dog,
Here, in the
cat,
first picture,
fish,
it is
fish,
very good. How
fish,
about in the second
fish.
Here. How about here? What is in the picture? Hello. Okay. Oh, hello there, mommy. Okay, Thinmin?
Is a rabbit.
Yes, this is a
rabbit.
rabbit. Yes, very good. That's correct. How about, okay, wait. How about here in the third picture? What do you see in the third picture, Thinmin? What is in this picture here? It is,
Is a dog.
yes, it's a dog. Yes, that's correct. How about here? Oh, it's so cute, you know. I know you like that. What's this? Here. What is in this picture?
Is a baby cat.
Yes, it's a cat. It's a baby cat. Very good. That's correct. Very good. Okay. So again, those are the pets. Okay. So now let's go here. Let's have this exercise number 2, the vocabulary. Okay. So here, just listen after me, okay? Okay, are you there, Tinmin? Are you ready? We're going to read
Yes.
these sentences and then please repeat after me, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So now here, let's read this one. I have a dog.
I have a dog.
My dog's name is Rover.
Mama.
Okay? Okay, Tinmin? Are you good? Can you? Okay.
No.
Can we
Yes,
ah,
yes.
okay. Can we continue now?
Yes.
All right. So again, let's read this sentence, okay? Okay, repeat after me. I have a dog. Here, let's read
I
this one.
have a dog.
Okay. My dog's name is Rover.
My dog's name
Name
is Roger.
Rover. It is Rover.
Rover.
Yes, very good. So here we can see a picture that there is a man holding his dog. So again, what animal is this? What animal is he holding? Ah, what animal is this?
A hen.
A dog. Yes.
Doggy.
So the man is saying that I have a dog. So this is his pet. What is the pet of this man again? What's the pet of this man? His pet is a,
Is dog.
yes, very good. So now what is the name of his dog? What is the name of his dog? It's, can you read this one? Here. It's Rover. Okay, can you say it? Rover. Rover.
Rover.
Yes, the name of the dog.
Rover.
Yes. Again. One more time. What is the name of his dog? It's
Is the name is Rover.
okay, very good. His dog's name is Rover. All right. So now how about this one? Let's read this. She has a rabbit.
She has a rabbit.
Okay. Her rabbit's name is Fluffy.
Oh,
Her
rabbit is named is Puffy.
again, her rabbit's
Her rabbit.
rabbit's name
Her
is
rabbit is name is
Fluffy.
Laffy.
Yes, so here we can see a girl holding her pet. What is the pet of this girl again? Ah,
A rabbit.
yes. Now, what is the name of? Yes, what is the name of her rabbit?
Laptop.
Fla. Again?
Laptop.
Fluffy. It is Fluffy.
Happy.
Yes, the name of her rabbit is Fluffy. Okay, now let's proceed here. Okay, here. Okay, here.
She
Let's read
has
this.
2 cats.
Okay, how about this? Her cats
Her cats name
names are,
Fred.
okay, Fred
Fred and
and
Gorilla.
no, it's Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah, so again, her cat's names, her
Her cat's name is
are
Fred
Fred
and
and
Freddy.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yes, okay, here we can see that the girl is holding 2 cats. These are her 2 pets. Again, what is the pet of this girl? Ah, what
2
animal?
cats.
Yes, she has 2 cats. Now, what are the names of her
Nó bảo
2 cats?
cat mà.
Không đọc chú các con phải là gì? She has, phải đọc cả câu chứ.
No, thì có mà
Đúng
2
rồi.
cats.
Okay,
Mình không đọc cả câu, nó đọc mỗi chuyện.
all right, Pinmin. Okay, now, can we continue now? Okay, now what are the names of her 2 cats?
Gì mà nè?
What are the names? It's the name Fred and
Fred
and and Ginger.
Ginger.
Yes, again, the names of her 2 cats are Fred
Fred and
and
Ginger.
okay, very good. So now let's have this another practice. Okay, so you're going to answer my questions. Then you're going to fill in the blanks, okay? So here, for example, I'm going to ask you, do you have a pet? Then your answer,
No.
yes. Read this one.
Yes, I have a dog.
Okay, very good. So here, very good. So now here, let's go here. Based on the picture, I'm going to ask you, Pinwin, do you have a pet? Based on this,
Yes, I have a dog.
yes, and we're going to write it here. Very good. Again, what's your answer again? Yes, I have
Dog.
a dog.
have
Very
a dog.
good. Yes, it's correct. Okay, you have a dog. Very good. So let's proceed in number 2. Here, how about here? Does she have a pet? What's your answer? Here.
Yes, she has. She
She-
has a
What?
rabbit.
Very good. She has a rabbit. Very good. Yes, that's correct. It's a big check. Yay. Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed here. Okay. How about here? Okay, how about here? Does he have a pet?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Very good. Your answer is yes, he does. Yes, that is correct. Very good. Yay. I'm going to put a big check. Okay. So let's proceed now. How about here? Does she have a pet? Tinmin, does she have a pet? Look at the picture. Okay.
Yes, she has 2 cats.
Yes, very good. She has Two cats. Okay.
cats.
Yes, very good. That is correct. So I'm going to put a big check. Yay! Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, very good. Okay, here. Oh, now, yeah, we're here in exercise number 3. Are you ready? Let's have a dialogue. Can you show me your whole face? Sit properly. Okay. Okay. Again, Tinmin, can you? All right, that's one. Okay, that's good. Now let's have this dialogue. We're going to read this aloud with me, and you will be Yunwo. Okay,
Yes.
I will be the teacher. Okay, so I'm going to read this first. Okay. Hello, Yunwo. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Okay. What is your cat's name?
Her name is Voodoo.
Fido.
Voodoo.
Okay. Does your brother have a pet?
No, he doesn't have a pet.
Does your sister have a pet?
Yes, she has a dog.
What is her dog's name?
Her dog is name is mm,
Again, it is her dog's name.
dog.
Again, her
Dog. Dog.
again, again, Tinmin, her dog's
Dog.
name. Okay, again, her dog's
Is-
name. Read it again.
Is dog.
Roger. Roger. Roger.
Roger.
Yes. Continue.
Roger.
Okay.
Her dog.
How
her
about
dog
you? How
name
about
is
you?
dog.
Okay,
George.
again.
Now,
All right.
now,
How?
now,
How?
talk
It is-
about you miss me. Do you have pets?
Okay. Yes, I have.
Or
A hamster.
you,
Really?
you,
It is really? It is really?
what is
Again.
your name? What
Ag-
is your hamster? His name?
Okay, again, Tinmin. Okay, read really. Read this. Really? Really? It is really this one. Really?
Really?
Then wow.
Wow. What is your hamster? His name?
Hamster's name. It is hamster's name.
Hamster's name.
Okay, his name is Bob. Okay, so we're done here in this dialogue. So we're going to stop because it's already time. So we're going to continue this on our next class next week. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So let's have a picture now. Let's take a picture. Okay. Oh, you're excited. Okay, again. Okay. Do like this first. This first. This first. Do like this. Okay. Smile.
Bye.
And this one. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you in our next class. Okay.